Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alina Mirza and I'm back with a new vlog. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alina Mirza and I'm back with a new vlog. So आज जो है मैंने एक special awareness vlog बनाने की कोशिश करी है. Today I just performed some adulteration test on milk because milk की quality देखना like बहुत important है. Milk is something which is like it comes in everyone's house these days and adulteration is quite common these days. हर चीज़ में मिलावट है. So creating awareness about these things is very important. So I just try my best, just a small effort to create this awareness thing. I just performed some test on milk samples. So I would like to share it with you also, like you can also perform it, and let me know in the comment section if the workshop, like a mini video I just try to create some random videos, so just let me know if it was helpful for you or not. So we are going to perform milk testing today, and number one test that we are going to be performed. So this is the sample of milk that we are having. So okay, first the test that we are going to perform is starch test. So basically in adulteration what we do is we have to find what adulterant is present in the sample, or if the sample is pure or not. So first we are going to be doing the test of starch. Okay, so starch is an adulterant which should not be found in the milk. So to test the starch, what you have to do is you will perform, I'll tell you what to do. Okay, this is the test tube stand. So we have all the chemicals ready. Number one, you have to add a few drops of tincture of iodine or iodine solution. Okay, just take some sample in the test tube. Okay, first take some sample of milk in the test tube. Take it. You can use dropper. Where's the dropper? Okay, just do it with the hand only then. Then you have to take some drops, just drops of iodine, and I'll tell you what is the result. If there is formation of blue color, that means, yeah, that's enough, because we have to do more tests, so keep it in less quantity only. Okay, now you just have to drop just one or tincture of iodine to it. That's oh, you can do it. Can't you do it like this? Okay, just a tincture. Okay,
drop,
or take the dropper if you want. Yeah, where's the dropper? I think the dropper is there. Go take it. So guys, formation of blue color indicates the presence of starch. So if the milk is not pure, then you'll see that the milk will turn blue. So if it turns blue, that means there is starch in the milk. So the milk should not turn blue. Yeah, that's it. Just do it. You have to see. Okay, you have to press it.
Yeah.
But like this. You just take drops.
This one is,
and just add drop to it.
I think this is not working properly.
Yeah, that's the wrong one. Take the nice one. Okay, so now we're going to add, that's a dropper?
Yes.
Oh, put it. So that's a sample. Yeah, just little bit. Yeah, put it. Now you know how to use a dropper.
I know.
I think that's enough. I think that's
enough.
enough.
I'm a science student.
Now let's.
But that was...
Okay, you can see there is no blue color. That means there's no starch present. See, there's no starch present.
Oh.
So there's no starch in the sample of milk. So we'll keep it here. So that's a starch test. It doesn't turn blue. That means there is no starch, no adulteration of starch. Okay, now we'll do a different test. Sodium bicarbonate test. Sodium bicarbonate is also an adulterant which is found in milk. So for that you have to take 5 ml of milk sample. Just take, don't take 5, just take it accordingly, okay?
Okay, like this.
Okay, whatever the amount of milk.
Milk.
Wait, you have to take equal quantity of ethyl alcohol also. No. Just don't take more. Now ethyl alcohol, equal quantity. The quantity that you have taken, that's why I was asking you to measure it with the help of measuring flask. Always measure with the help of measuring flask. But it's okay now. Just अंदाज़े से डाल दो. बार-बार don't. Okay, that's almost 2 sample. 2 ml. Okay, 2 ml of milk, 2 ml of ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is also called ethanol, so whatever. Now few drops of 1% rosalic acid.
Should I wash it first or use?
Yeah, just wash it. So that's a rosalic acid. We have to use 1% of it. See that how it looks. So अब इसमें क्या होगा इस वाले एक्सपेरिमेंट में? There should not be red color formed after addition of rosalic acid. So let's see if this milk contains sodium bicarbonate or not.
We have to add this, right?
Yeah, measure 2 ml. Wait, I'll do it.
No, I will do it.
So you just have to throw like a little bit. This is the sample now? Is this a sample?
Done.
Yeah. Just take one. Yeah, this is.
Wait. We need to do it, right?
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Keep it here. Don't keep it here. Okay, now add. Okay, so we added ethanol, equal amount of ethanol to the sample, and now you have to put just a little bit of resorcinol. Take it with the help of the spatula. Don't put your bare hands. It could be a, yeah, not this much. Yeah, thoda sa aur. We just needed 1%. So
1%.
yeah, you can also make a proper solution. That just put it. Yeah.
Done.
Yeah.
This one. Should I mix it?
Yeah, mix it.
Oh.
Is it becoming red?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, just put it there. No, maybe we added like a lot of amount.
No.
That could be the reason also. But yeah, you can see it's not actually red, it's orange.
Yeah.
It's not even red. But okay, we'll keep it for some time and let's see. There could be sodium bicarbonate. Next test is sucrose test. Okay, you need to add 3 ml of milk. Take 3 ml of milk sample. So we have this acid solution of salt. That's an acid solution of salt. We have to add 2 ml of acid solution of salt to it.
3 ml of milk.
Yeah. Just take it in a test tube.
Yeah. And what?
2 ml of acid solution of salt. 2 ml.
This
50 mg of resorcinol, and then we have to add resorcinol to it, 50 milligrams. We need a measuring machine for it. Should we do it andaze se, or should I take measuring machine?
2 ml. Huh?
Yeah. Oh, can you open it?
Yeah, done.
Okay, ouch.
2 ml.
That's 50 mg of.
Should I put?
Where I put it? 50 mg of resorcinol and heat it. So you have to heat it. Okay, I'll be adding 50 mg of resorcinol. Then you just start heating it. Okay, use the burner for that. Give it to me. This is the sample now.
Yes.
I think that's enough. No, just heat it now. If there is red color, then that means that's adulterated. Now she's just lighting up the burner. Just keep it here. And whenever you use any bottle, just make sure to close it first. You know, the lid. So that's how it looks now. And after heating, let's see if the red color forms. That means it's adulterated with sucrose. Take it. But don't heat it a lot. We should make it in a boiling tube. Heating experiments. Use a holder. Test tube holder.
Okay.
The test tube holder should be there. You know now what is the test tube holder? In this boiling tube. So don't heat excessively, okay? So we did the resorcinol thing now. Okay, so next is we have to perform vanaspati test. Yeah, just start. heating it. And don't keep it for long, do it like this. Yeah, heat a bit and then. Okay, next test is vanaspati. Milk sample in a test tube, equal amount of hydrochloric acid. Where is another test tube? Okay, so we'll take some milk. Just be very careful while doing it. It can burst. So be very careful and take it, just do it there, away from here. Yeah. So I'm just taking 2 ml of, like 2.5 ml milk I'm taking.
It is becoming transparent.
It's not becoming red?
Yeah.
Oh, that means it. What's wrong? तुमने वॉश करा था ये? पक्का?
लास्ट बार नहीं किया.
अरे तो बताना था ना. Okay, so I just took 2 ml of milk sample and we have to add 2 ml of hydrochloric acid. That's the hydrochloric acid. Take 2 ml in it. What happens? Okay, so I just took 2 ml of milk sample. Just wash it and then I dilute HCl. Then what we have to add? Pass me that. ये दो ना ये
बंद हो गया.
ये बंद कैसे हो गया? Then we have to add iodine solution. Where it is? हाँ बस ओके बस कर रहे हैं ना, कंप्लीट तो कर लो ये. HCl डालो इसमें. इसको क्यों जला रही हो अभी? इसको छोड़ो, वो काफ़ी है, इतना काफ़ी है मुझे लगता है. हो सकता है ये प्योर हो.
ज़्यादा नहीं होगा.
Okay, so this is the result of the previous test. So there's no red color form. That means there's no vanaspati. Oh, that's good. Amount of hydrochloric acid, little sucrose. ये वही वाला है ना, little sucrose वाला what? No, it is this one, resorcinol one. There is no sucrose, that means, because it doesn't turn red, it turns yellow.
There is no sugar.
There is no sucrose in this. Sucrose is an adulterant. There should be no sucrose. Next experiment is vanaspati. We are doing vanaspati, right? Take 2 ml of hydrochloric in this. 2 ml of hydrochloric. Because we have to heat it, so I'm going to be like shifting it in the boiling tube. And we'll take like not 2 ml only. I think we should take some more sample. Sani, just take 4 ml of HCl for this. HCl ले लिया इसमें?
नहीं.
अभी नहीं डाला ना? डाल दिया?
नहीं.
तो अभी रुक जाओ, पहले मैं नहीं डालूँ. बिकॉज मैं इसमें बॉइलिंग ट्यूब में ले रही हूँ ना, तो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा कर लेते हैं. लो अब इसे खंगाल के. Okay, now we are going to be performing the vanaspati test. So I've just taken 4 ml of sample in the boiling tube, and now I'm going to be adding 4 ml of HCl to it only.
What is the water?
And then we have to add little sucrose also. Where's the sucrose? Yeah, just keep it 4 ml.
Yeah.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Okay, so 4 ml of hydrochloric acid, and then sucrose, like a bit of sucrose. Just heat that burner. Okay, so we just added sucrose. Now we'll heat it, and if there is red color crystal, if they're going to be like red color crystal formation, then we can say that there is vanaspati, otherwise there is no vanaspati. So let's just start begin. Okay, so we'll see the result of that one later. First we'll perform the last experiment for today, which is to test the detergent in milk. Okay, so for that you have to take 5 ml of sample in a test tube. ये wash कर लिया था? Just take 5 ml of sample. And then we have to add 1 drop of 5% bromocresol purple solution. So we have this bromocresol purple solution. If there is violet color formation, then we can say that it is adulterated with the with this detergent. Okay, so there should not be violet color formed after adding bromocresol.
How much?
Just a little bit here, direct. Just put it directly. Where is the milk? This was an empty test tube. Are you sure? Okay, just add
One or
like
two drops?
2-3 drops. Yeah, 2-3 drops. That's it. That's it. That's it. Or just mix it. Okay, just mix it and keep it somewhere. Give it to me. Okay, so you can see the color is light sky blue right now. So we'll keep it for some time and let's see if the color remains the same. That means there is presence of detergent, and otherwise no. It's not actually, it's not violet. It's like light blue. So there might be like a little bit of detergent, but still. So these are the results of our experiments, and according to me, I would just say that it is adulterated with sodium bicarbonate because it's like super red. That's like quite scary. We'll do this test again, by the way, and this thing, let's see if it just let's see, wait for some time and let's see if it just turns white or not. We just have to.
Okay, it should
be white.
It should be white.
Yeah.
So what about violet?
Violet is means excessive detergent, and it's like a light blue color.
So I think there's a little bit detergent.
Yeah. So there are more tests, but because we are like out of time and some resources, so that's why we are not able to perform it today. There are like more adulterated adulterants which are like found in milk, like bacteria, water, urea, and then this hydrogen peroxide, boric acid, azo dyes, pH test. So there are like a lot of tests for adulteration, but in this we are just going to be performing these tests, and this is the results you can see. So it's very important to know how to check, adulteration things and all that. We're just going to be like performing the vanaspati test and see if that comes or not later. So pack up. Okay, so now we are going to be performing the last test, which is the vanaspati. And guys, there is detergent. Rakhne ke baad bhi it's like a bit blue in color, though it's in less quantity, but still, it's not like super pure. So you just perform this one. इसको नीचे नहीं करते ज़्यादा. Okay.
Yeah.
So there's the boiling. Okay, so I'm going to be keeping these things back. What happened? Jalao it again. Now.
Oh my God, wait. So now we have to heat it. I don't know what will happen then. Let's read. So basically it's like if I remember this one. Is it a boiling test tube?
What?
Is it a boiling test?
It's a boiling tube.
Okay. It's a boiling tube.
Okay, so this is the result, and it's not red. There should be red crystals. There are no red crystals, right? So it's pure. That was the vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching it. I hope you guys like it. Please do like, share, comment, subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon for more notifications. I'll be back with new videos super soon. Annyeonghaseyo.